Hi everybody, and welcome to another Lick of the Day by Rock U School of Music. Today we're going to be talking about a 1-4-5 progression using the chords G, C, and D, and talking about open position pentatonics that go along with those chords. Alright, let's get started on this. Hey everybody, and welcome to this Lick of the Day lesson that we're doing today on open pentatonics. So I'm kind of outlining pentatonics in the open position, in the first position, over a G chord, a C chord, and a D chord. So the first lick sounds like this. So third fret, third finger, 6th string, 1 and 2 on the 5th string, open 4th string, 2nd fret on the 4th string, and then open 3rd string. So it sounds like this. That nicely fits over your G. So again, 3rd fret on the 6th string to start off, open 5th string, 1st fret on the 5th string, 2nd fret on the 5th string, open 4th string, 2nd fret on the 4th string, and open 3rd string. Now for the 4 chord, the C chord, we're going to be all on the same frets. Everything's just going to be 1 string higher. So we're starting off on the 3rd fret on the 5th string, and we land on that 1st fret on the 2nd string. So it's 3rd fret on the 5th string, open 4th string, 1 and 2 on the 4th string, open 3rd string, 2nd fret on the 3rd string, 1st fret on the 2nd string. So we went from the open G to the open C. And again, these are major pentatonics. Now we're going to our D chord. And the D chord is going to look, the D pentatonic is going to look a little different than the G and the C. I add a little passing tone there on the 3rd string. So it's open 4th string, 3rd fret on the 4th string, 4th fret on the 4th string, and then I go 2, 3, 4 on the 3rd string. I land on the 3rd fret on the 2nd string. So that D again is open 4th string, 3rd fret on the 4th string, 4th fret on the 4th string, 2, 3 and 4 on the 3rd string, and then 3rd fret on the 2nd string. And then I'm going to do this at the end to add a little tag at the end. Another G major pentatonic thing. So I'm sliding from the 3rd to 4th fret on the 3rd string, 3rd fret on the 2nd string, 5th fret on the 2nd string to 3rd fret on the 1st string. Then I add a little dominant 7 flavor at the end with this F natural that kind of makes it a G7 chord. So let's put everything together here, okay? So we have G, C, D, and then G major pentatonic again for the end. Alright guys, if you like this video, please subscribe here to our Rock U School of Music page. Check out our Patreon page, the tabs will be up there. Check us out on Instagram. Thank you very much, and we'll see you for the next video. Thanks.